What's going on, guys? I'm Cooper, and this is going to be my first video on YouTube. Now, as you can see, my hair is pretty nappy as of right now. And so, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys my hair routine that I do to turn my hair from this into some nice little twists with a comb and a few products. Some background on my hair. For starters, I definitely have 4C hair. Like, it's not even a question. And also for my porosity, I have low porosity, so that means like that it's very difficult for moisture to get into my hair. But when it gets in there, it stays in there. And also, my hair, I don't know. My hair goes down to like about like, I'd say like right here, whenever I try to stretch it out. I'm not sure if it will right now because it's not moisturized. Yeah, it goes just about right there. So, and my hair's been growing for like the past. Last time I got a cut was in October, and it's December now. So, there's just a little bit more information on when I last got my cut and how long my hair is as of right now. Now onto the products. Now, I start off by wetting my hair, and then I start putting in the cream. So, first cream that I use is Proclaim leave-in conditioner. And since I use the creams first because I have low porosity hair, so I do liquid, which is the water, creams, which is leave-ins or any type of styling creams, and then oils, which is like gel and like hair oil. So starting with the leave-in conditioner, and then the next cream that I use is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I'm sure you guys have heard like plenty of things about it, like from many other videos about hair routines. And then after I put that in, we have the Wetline Extreme Gel right here. I'll put them all in the description, that way you guys can look them up for yourselves. And then lastly, I put in the Olive Miracle Growth Oil. One thing that you want to keep track of is the fact that each time I put in a product, I spray my hair with water, wet it up a little bit, and then I will either do this, rub my hand in a circular motion, or use this soft side of my brush and do that to form the twists. I think I got that all out of the way, and yeah, let's get started. All right, now first off, what you're gonna want to do is spray your hair with some water and moisten it up. That way, it's easier to manipulate whenever you're trying to twist it up with the comb and with your hands. Now, this is where you add in the Proclaim leave-in conditioner. Now, you don't want to go too crazy whenever you put in the products. Personally, I put in enough that's able to cover both palms of my hands, and then that should be good enough for my hair. Obviously, the amount you put in depends on how long your hair is, and this is just what I'm working with right now, so my hair is kind of at a medium length. So you're just gonna wanna distribute it throughout your hair, and you're gonna wanna twist your hands in a circular motion, just like how I'm doing. I had to speed this up a bit because there's a lot of footage of me doing this, and it does take a while. But whenever you're twisting it in a circular motion, you want to keep going in the same direction. You don't want to go in opposite directions each time you try to do it, because then it's just gonna undo the twist and just make your hair look really wild. Now, what you're seeing me do here is showing you that you want to use the soft side of the brush if you have a two-sided brush. Like I said earlier, the rough side of the brush is very harsh on your hair, and it might actually end up like ripping some of the hair out off of your head. And obviously, since you're looking for your hair to grow, you don't want to have any unnecessary hair loss. So yeah, that's it. As you can see, the twists are starting to form up a little bit, but this is just the beginning, and there's a long way to go. So I'm just gonna add some more water real quick, and then going to keep twisting my hair, and then eventually I will move on to the next product, which is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And this is where you see me just using both my hands and the brush in order to twist in my hair. Honestly, it depends on how you're feeling and what you want to look. All right, so here now we have the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. Um, Honestly, it's the same rules apply for this as the last product. Just want to put enough so that it can cover the palms of your hands. You don't want to go too crazy with the products. And I always put a safe amount on my hands. That might not look like a lot, but once you see whenever I rub it against my hands, it'll end up covering my hands pretty well. And you'll see that it also covers my hair pretty well. So again, whenever I distribute it, just keep my hands going in a circular rotation and just going to keep going in the same direction the entire time. That's what I usually tend to do whenever I put in products. I use my hands first, and then I move on and use the brush in order to twist my hair. The brush makes the twist longer, and my hand makes the twist like more defined. So just a little bit of each. Now onto the Wetline Extreme Gel. It's kind of hard to see how much I put on my hands, but I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but like I said, enough to cover both of your palms. It's clear, so like I doubt you'll even be able to see how well I cover my hands, but you'll know. And also, like I said, depends on how long your hair is, so yeah, keep that in mind. I forgot to show how much of the hair oil that I put in my hair, but same rules apply. Like I said, same amount as the rest, depending on how long your hair is. Obviously, if you have more hair than me, then you're going to want to use more. And if you have shorter hair than me, then you're going to probably want to use a little bit less. It's just how you feel about it, you know. And here are the results. It didn't come out quite the way I wanted to, and I could have spent more time, twisting my hair up, but I'm not going anywhere because of the lockdown. So yeah. So yeah, that is it. More videos will be coming in the future. Just gonna be like life-based videos and all that type of stuff. I'm not gonna be like strictly a hair product type of channel. I wanna get some stuff in like working out and all that type of stuff and sports and all of that. And sorry if like whenever I had the camera up against the wall, it looked like I was like kind of like hunching a little bit. I was, and I'm kind of tall. I'm 6'4", and like if you can see right here, obviously like I kind of have to hunch to get even with the camera. But yeah, tell me in the comments if you want any other like hair routines you want me to try out, or if you just want me to do like different products. I mean, I got plenty of products over there by the wall. So yeah, that's all I got. See you later.